Your car's engine is like the heart of your vehicle. Treat it right and it'll keep you moving for years. But some bad habits can unknowingly cause serious damage. Here are 5 driving habits that can ruin your engine and how to avoid them. Listen up, folks. This one's huge and it's a bit misunderstood. Now, driving at lower RPMs does have its benefits. It can help with fuel economy and reduce engine wear, especially on highway cruising. But here's the catch. Doing it constantly is where people go wrong. Here's why: your engine needs proper oil circulation, and running consistently at low RPMs, like below 1,500 revolutions per minute, especially in modern cars, causes something we call glazing. Basically, your cylinder walls get polished incorrectly, leading to poor oil retention. Plus, carbon buildup becomes a serious issue, especially on direct injection engines, and can prematurely damage your engine. If you don't know what this is, in short, engine braking is when you release the accelerator or downshift to a lower gear, allowing the engine's compression to slow the vehicle instead of using the brakes. This method reduces wear on brake components and helps control speed, especially on downhill slopes. Now, don't get me wrong. Some engine braking is fine, but excessive engine braking can lead to serious mechanical issues. This habit puts tremendous stress on your transmission components and engine mounts over time. You're looking at worn synchronizers, stressed mount bushings, and potential transmission damage. We're talking about repairs that can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $4,000 or more. Here's the deal: your brake pads are way cheaper to replace than engine or transmission repairs. Use them, that's what they're there. This one drives me absolutely nuts. You wouldn't believe how many people treat their fuel gauge like a suggestion rather than a warning. Running your car constantly on low fuel is like running a marathon without drinking water. It's just asking for trouble. Your fuel pump relies on the fuel in your tank for cooling and lubrication. When you're always running on empty, you're forcing it to suck up all the crud and sediment at the bottom of your tank. This can lead to premature fuel pump failure, clogged fuel filters, and injector problems. A fuel pump replacement alone can set you back $100 to $300, not counting labor costs and potential damage to other components. And let's be honest, all this could be avoided by just keeping your tank reasonably full. You know that person at the grocery store who shifts from reverse to drive while their car is still rolling? Yeah, don't be that guy. Your transmission wasn't designed to be your brake pedal. I see this all the time. People treating their transmission like it's indestructible. Let me tell you something. A new transmission costs anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. Excluding labor, just take that extra half second to come to a complete stop. Your car will thank you, and so will your wallet. This one's becoming more common with all these modern transmissions having 8 or 9 gears. People try to accelerate hard while into high gear, thinking their car will figure it out. Spoiler alert: it doesn't end well when you need to accelerate, especially when merging onto highways. Don't be afraid to let your engine rev a bit. Lugging your engine in high gear puts massive strain on your connecting rods and bearings. And there you have it, 5 driving habits that could be wrecking your engine. If you're guilty of any of these, don't worry, now's the perfect time to change. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips. See you in the next video.